going to show you how to use the back slitter today. We have some test decals here. We're going to slit the vacuum paper on. So to use the back slitter, there's a couple controls. We have our on and off switch here. We have a depth gauge here. That'll choose how deep it cuts into the paper. We don't want it to go into the decal at all, so we're going to try and avoid that. It's important to do a test first to try it, and then we also have these stops here. To use this and use it efficiently, you're going to want to put the stops in the correct spot. And then you're just going to line up this blade here with whatever part of the decal you want to do. So say we want to do it to this side a little more, I'm going to just offset it. Then once I have the stops ready, tighten them down. Sometimes they really get loose in between cuts. And then we're going to set our catch here so it catches it. And now this is a piece of steel or some sort of metal that's magnetic. So we like to use these tiny magnets things to create a stop. So I'm going to just do it right in here. So now that we have that, I'm going to turn it on. We're just going to feed this right through. Bam. And now we have a slit in the backing paper. We can peel it off. Stick it. So some common problems for this thing. We have this depth sensor here, like I said. So if you go a little too deep with the cut, it's probably just going to cut right through the paper, right through the decal. Look at that. We don't want that. And now the other way. Put this through there. Watch your fingers, safety first. You can see there's no cut in it. There's no way for us to get the backing paper off without possibly damaging the decal. So it's important to set the depth gauge correctly, otherwise it won't work right. So another common problem is the back slit not being straight. It's not a huge problem, but we want our decals to look nice. We want it to be straight cut in the back so it's easy enough for someone to peel it off. So if these stops aren't right, if they're kind of crooked, or if you have a smaller piece of vinyl here, feed it through wrong, it's gonna curve. It's gonna end up looking like this. And we don't really want that. We want it to look nice.